Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's only been a while, but thank God I'm back again. Today I'll be sharing a very important tip with you: how to trim and trim your eyebrows.
Strawberry on my lips.
Yes, let's get right to the video. I'm saying a big thank you to returning subscribers and those that visited for the very first time. I just want to show you guys a little tricks on how to grow your eyebrows here as well. For those that have scanty eyebrows, I know how very frustrating it is at times when you want to go to work out and stuff like that. You really want to go out but your eyebrows are not in place. You can actually grow your eyebrows by yourself and trim it in a way that you don't need to draw your eyebrows every day, every time when you want to go out. We'll be making use of this natural plant which we call aloe vera, and it's very common. Aloe vera is a non-sticky and gets absorbed fast, so you can be applied several times a day. Aloe vera is also very good for people with excess sunburn, so it will get rid of so much oil and opening follicles, thus encouraging eyebrow hair growth. Now aloe vera is good for hair growth, especially on the eyebrows, so there are a lot of advantages. So what you're going to do, especially when you have a scanty eyebrow, you get the natural aloe vera gel from the fat leaf, mash it up and pulp it and apply it into your brows to make it grow faster. You can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash it. Continue this process for 1 or 2 weeks. You will notice hair growth change. Like one of the questions many people ask most of the time, like they'll ask question like, can I put on the aloe vera gel on my eyebrow and sleep overnight with it? Yes, you can actually leave the gel on your eyebrow overnight, but I don't encourage you to actually leave the gel on your eyelashes because it will cause puffy eyes. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe so anytime I upload a new content you'll be notified.